All right, people. Contrary to what the mainstream media is telling you, the condition in Ceuta, Spain is not improving. Check this video out. Do you see that? She said, the police doesn't protect me, the military doesn't protect me. My dog is the only one that they fear.
Estoy acojonada. ¿Cómo hay que salir a la calle? Esto no se puede vivir así. Miedo, estoy acojonada.
Cansado estamos ya, cansado estamos ya.
Cansado estamos ya
de aguantar lo que estamos aguantando.
This is the future of every Western city, guys. They're flooding it. And apparently, intelligence reports suggest that they are planning another invasion on the 15th or the 16th of August. I don't know if they're going to do it or not, but that's what the intelligence reports suggest.
Tengo miedo en mi propia ciudad, en mi calle, que no puedo sacar a la perra. Estoy acojonada. Ya basta, 29 años y no puedo salir sola a la calle. Mira cómo está la calle, enfrente de la policía, ¿eh? Mira cómo está la calle. Toda la mañana, toda la noche liándola. A las 2 de la mañana he tenido que llamar a la policía porque no paraban de chillar y de pelearse entre ellos. Da miedo. Todo el día, todos los días.
No sé si te sientes olvidada, porque la gente dice que ha vuelto a la normalidad.
Normalidad, son mentiras. Que vengan los de la península y que vengan a verlo. Hasta que no estás en la calle y lo ves, no sabes lo que es.
Mira, estamos en directo en Boca de Toros. ¿Cómo te llamas? Perdóname.
Look at that. Look at this journalist. Look at this reporter. She's actually gaslighting her. She's saying, oh, these are normal people. Look at that. Look at the state of this place. What are these people doing? Where they're pissing? Where they're going to the toilet? They're shitting and pissing on the streets. At least they're forming a line. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is treason. This is treason. So that's it, guys. A dog is man's best friend. And especially these days, woman's best friend. If this woman that I'm about to show you had a dog, she would have been safe.
They're being locked up for rape. This is the moment a man was arrested for raping a young mum he tricked into a taxi in Manchester. The victim had been out with a friend a few days before Christmas last year. Mohammed Al-Masri and another man approached her.
Mohammed Al-Masri, he's Egyptian.
Al-Masri and another man approached her and said they would take her home, but they took her to an Abbey Hay HMO where Al-Masri raped her as a friend watched. The woman had managed to share her live location with her boyfriend on WhatsApp, who called for police. Cops quickly arrived and arrested Al-Masri at the scene. Al-Masri, 25, of no fixed address, denied one count of rape, but was found guilty by majority verdict at Manchester's Minshall Street Crown Court. He was ruled to be a dangerous offender by a judge, as he was jailed for 8 years. Al-Masri was also made subject to notification requirements for life, a 10-year sexual harm prevention order, and a restraining order.
But no deportation. A 25-year-old predator with limited English followed an upset, vulnerable young mother through Piccadilly Gardens, feigned kindness to put her in a taxi and took her back to an HMO where he raped her while his mate watched. You need dogs, guys. You need dogs. Dogs are your best friends. Who knows? Western civilization might be saved by dogs. Check out this funny video. A dog owner was rudely accosted and verbally abused by 2 Muslim men. I don't think abuse is the right word, but they were trolling him. But they were trolling the wrong Brit. Look at this.
No, don't give me no shit. I don't need you coming along playing my dogs up. Because I'll play you up. I fucking can. Put your bike down, I'll tie the dogs up and we'll sort it out. I don't really want to do this. No, but I do. Just go fuck off now.
Oof.
Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it.
They don't hear.
Huh?
They don't hear. They're deaf.
I hear you.
They are
Look
deaf.
after them. Right, I don't need pricks like you.
And look at the form on these guys, yeah? When you move to a new country, you're scared, you're shy, you're nervous. You try to integrate, you try to understand the ways of your new adopted country. But look at these guys. They just go out. And they filmed it and they released it thinking that their behavior is appropriate. Trolling an ordinary bystander. He was just, look at this. He was just minding his own business, walking his dogs. And they made these dog noises.
Deaf.
After them. Right, I don't need pricks like you coming round here. Now fuck off.
Be respectful, bro. Like, don't be rude.
Rude, you're the one coming down here playing these up. Right, I don't need you coming down here.
Your dogs, and you getting mad over me complimenting your dogs.
Yeah.
Okay, they're probably born there.
Yes.
All right, listen, my brother. You
No,
have a
hang
lovely
on.
day. We go this way. You go this way, and you have a great.
Get on your bike then and fuck off.
No, you don't talk to me like that.
I'm talking to you like
I'm respecting you because you're older than me. And
Soon everyone will need to talk to them like this. Everyone.
you ain't respecting me because if you respect me, they kept your fucking mouth shut. Do I look like a fucking idiot? How many people round here give me compliments? They don't come along going woof woof woof.
you're talking to your dogs.
You keep fucking laughing, mate. I'll smash them fucking glass up. You
Nah, you can't.
Right?
Why you
Trust
wanna
me,
be
you can't.
violent?
At the end of the day, I was walking on there, minding my own fucking
was
business.
walking
You
here.
pair of fucking idiots.
What's so funny? What was funny?
Man here with a fucking mask on, and you're the one laughing.
I don't have a mask on, bro.
Behind your fucking neck.
Look.
It's on his neck.
No respect, guys. No respect.
Nah.
Whichever way you look at it,
You think we're the idiot when you going violent over two young men talking to you?
why was I going violent?
Because we talking to you and we saying what?
Release the dogs.
Why do you feel the need to do that?
Because we talking to your dogs.
But you're not. That's not talking dog language, is it? That's a pair of fucking idiots.
Ah, what's your language, man? Don't be rude, bro. Don't be rude. No, you are not right.
Yeah, this guy's got an accent.
You know I'm not fucking right. Because I'm not standing for a pair of pricks like you coming round here giving it the fucking attitude.
What attitude? I'm smiling.
You know what? Them dogs, they don't deserve you. I'll be honest with you. They don't deserve you.
Well, this country doesn't deserve you.
Keep telling yourself that.
They don't deserve you. Put them on Facebook
That's why they're
Marketplace.
showing no interest in you pair of fucking idiots.
Put them on Facebook Marketplace.
You're walking around here with your gay bags on and whatever else.
Put them on Facebook Marketplace. Trust me.
Huh?
Put them on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
So they can get a better owner.
Oh, that's true.
I mean, just get back on the fucking boat.
Do you feed them though? Do you feed them?
Get back on the boat. Do you hear that?
Trust me.
Huh?
Put them on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
So they can get a better owner.
Oh, that's true.
I mean, just get back on the fucking boat.
Do you feed them though? Do you feed them?
Oh my God. We did directly.
And guess what? Just because of this comment, he might actually get arrested. Oh, you were racist.
Get back on the fucking boat.
Do you feed them though? Do you feed them?
Oh my God. We did directly this year. So let me surprise you. I was born in Nico's Street.
Well, then act like a fucking human being.
Mate, I am actually like a.
No, you're not.
You don't want to go in violence. You don't want to not taking a compliment. I tried to.
We need dogs. You guys need to have more dogs. And soon you'll see other lefties tell other Westerners not to have dogs just so you can better accommodate Muslims. Just like that woman who said, oh, we need to all wear hijabs. Do not compromise on anything. Don't even give them a millimeter. Because every time you give something, they gain something.